National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeast Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 11:40 p.m. At 11:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Park Forest and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Fort Heights, Chicago Heights Street and Glenwood around 11:10 p.m. Linwood and Sauk Village around 11:15 p.m. Dyer, Munster, Lansing and St. John around 11:20 p.m. Highland, Schermerville and Hammond around 11:25 p.m. Griffith and Cary around 11:30 p.m. Other locations affected: Governors State University, Ileana Motor Speedway, Indiana University Northwest, Prairie State College, Purdue University Calumet, South Shore Cats Baseball.